We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive, unbiased look at the Coleman Compact Cool Weather Sleeping Bag, a product that has generated significant interest among campers and outdoor enthusiasts. If you own this sleeping bag, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us continue to provide in-depth reviews. The Coleman Compact Cool Weather Sleeping Bag is designed to keep users warm in temperatures as low as 40 degrees Fahrenheit, with models also available for 20 and 30 degrees. The bag features Coletherm Max Premium Lightweight Fill, which is engineered to provide superior heat retention with less weight, making it easier to pack and carry. The bag compresses down into a stuff sack with side straps, allowing it to pack smaller than traditional Coleman sleeping bags. Its pack dimensions are approximately 8.7 by 8.3 by 15.7 inches, making it a practical choice for those who prioritize portability without sacrificing comfort. One of the standout features frequently mentioned in user reviews is the absence of PFAs, or per- and polyfluoroalkyl substances. Many consumers are increasingly concerned about hidden chemicals in outdoor gear, and the Compact's PFAs-free construction is seen as a significant advantage, especially for families seeking safer materials. This initiative by Coleman is widely appreciated and sets a positive example for the industry. When it comes to build quality, the Compact receives high marks for its thoughtful design and construction. The outer fabric is slick and smooth, which helps repel moisture, while the inner lining is soft and cozy, providing a comfortable sleeping environment. The fiber fill extends past the zipper on one side, creating a small flap that effectively prevents drafts. This detail, along with the Thermalock draft tube running the length of the zipper, helps minimize heat loss and maintains warmth throughout the night. The zipper itself features Coleman's patented zip plow design, which aims to deliver a snag-free experience. While many users note that the zip plow does reduce the number of zipper snags compared to standard sleeping bags, it does not eliminate them entirely. The zipper pull is large and easy to grip, even with cold or gloved hands, and a distinctive red plastic nub at the top helps prevent fabric from being caught during operation. This attention to detail enhances usability, especially in low light or hurried situations. Packing and storage are also areas where the Compact shines. The included stuff sack features a fabric cap at one end, reminiscent of a rainfly, which covers the top opening and connects to the other end via two cinch straps. These straps double as convenient handles for carrying or attaching the bag to a backpack. However, the ends of the stuff sack are made from a somewhat noisy, crinkly material that displays product information, branding, and a barcode. Some users find this advertising intrusive and visually distracting when out in nature, preferring a more understated look for their gear. Coleman's quick cord system is another unique feature, allowing the sleeping bag to be bundled up quickly without the need for tying knots. A sewn-in string loop at the foot of the bag connects to a string and clip on the other side, securing the rolled-up bag efficiently. While this system is clever and saves time, a few reviewers express safety concerns about the presence of a cord loop, particularly for families with young children. In such cases, users may opt to tie up the bag manually for added peace of mind. In terms of comfort, the Compact is widely praised for its soft, cushiony filler and well-constructed stitching. The polyester lining feels more cotton-like than synthetic, contributing to a pleasant sleeping experience. Several users have tested the bag on hard floors and report that it provides adequate cushioning, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. In field tests, campers have found the bag to be warm and comfortable in temperatures around 55 degrees Fahrenheit, with some suggesting that an additional blanket may be needed for colder nights. The temperature rating of the Compact has generated some debate among reviewers. While the bag is marketed for use in temperatures as low as 30 degrees Fahrenheit, some users feel that its insulation is comparable to bags rated for 50 degrees. In practical terms, the bag performs well in mild to moderately cool conditions, such as spring and fall camping, but may require supplemental insulation, such as a blanket or liner for colder weather or winter camping. The loft of the bag is on the thinner side for sub-freezing temperatures, and holding the bag up to bright light reveals some light passing through the fiber fill. This suggests that, while the bag is toasty in a 70-degree room, it may not provide sufficient warmth for extended exposure to near-freezing conditions without additional layers. Despite these limitations, the Compact is considered an excellent value for its price point, which typically falls in the $70 range. It offers features and build quality often found in more expensive brands, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious campers who still want reliable performance. The bag's large size accommodates most adults comfortably, and its rectangular shape allows for some movement during sleep. However, it is not designed to cover the head, so users will need to bring a separate camp pillow or similar solution for head support. The Compact's compactness is relative. While it packs smaller than traditional Coleman sleeping bags, it is not as lightweight or compressible as ultralight backpacking models. For car camping, RV use, or short hikes where size and weight are less critical, the Compact is an ideal choice. It is durable, with high-quality materials and strong zippers that withstand repeated use. The bag's simplicity is also appreciated. There are no unnecessary bells and whistles, just a well-made, warm sleeping bag that delivers on its promises. Some users note that packing the bag back into its stuff sack can be a bit of a challenge, especially for those unfamiliar with compressible sleeping bags. However, with a bit of practice and attention to rolling technique, most find it manageable. The tie-string system, which does not require actual tying, is seen as a convenient feature, and shortening the hooked side can make repacking easier. The Compact's versatility is another strong point. It is suitable for a wide range of activities, from car camping to sleepovers, and its all-season rating means it can be used year-round with appropriate layering. The bag is also easy to clean and maintain, further enhancing its practicality for frequent campers and families. In summary, the Coleman Compact Cool Weather Sleeping Bag stands out for its thoughtful design, PFAS-free materials, and excellent value. It is best suited for mild to moderately cool conditions, car camping, and RV use, offering a comfortable and reliable sleeping solution for adults. While it may not be the warmest option for extreme cold, its combination of comfort, durability, and user-friendly features make it a strong contender in its price range. The absence of harmful chemicals, attention to detail in construction, and ease of use are all factors that contribute to its positive reputation among users. If you are looking for a sleeping bag that balances warmth, comfort, and portability without breaking the bank, the Coleman Compact is a compelling choice. Its minor drawbacks, such as the stuff sack's branding and the need for extra insulation in colder weather, are outweighed by its many strengths. Remember to check the link in the description for more details and to support the channel. If you have experience with this sleeping bag, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed decision.